Okay, hi, good afternoon. My name is Guy, and I will speak, I'm from Clarizen, obviously. I'll speak about why do we look on work management, and why do we think that work management is basically the next step for many organizations, allowing people maybe for the first time to basically consistently manage the most important asset that they have, which is the human resource in project. So basically, it used to be relatively simple, right? People worked on a couple different projects at a time. People work in one place, processes, the data, the people used to reside in the same place. It was very easy to, or fairly easy to control and have a very clear KPIs that can be measured. But as we all know, things has changed. Today, people are working on many projects. Projects are shorter in time. People are working in different offices, different locations, and it's getting much more difficult to basically control. The work practices has changed, but still, most of the tools that people are using are the tools that they used to use back then. And that's what creates this basically a black hole, if you may, of how do you manage this new era in projects. So how do people work today? Basically, in most organizations, you see silos of information, you see islands of activities. People might be working with Outlook or scheduling tool to manage their schedule. We'll use tools like MS Project or Excel to manage the different tasks and responsibilities. We'll communicate over emails, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Many different islands of activities, many islands of information that basically all related to projects. And that's basically what creates the problem or the challenge of traceability within the organization, of learning from past experience, of being able to develop a better system and basically control better and making sure that people know what to do today, what to focus on, what's important for the organization. So this is basically what we do at Clarizen. We basically create this main repository for the project where we connect the processes, the data, and the people together in one place, from the resource management to the planning of the project, to all the documents that go with the project, all the way to the issue tracking, to the emails, wikis, and communication around the project, and all that connected to all the different stakeholders of the project. So the managers, the customers, the suppliers, the co-workers, and other people that participate within the project. We basically believe that obviously work management is part of a trend of a new era in Enterprise 2.0 applications, where more and more companies will develop an execution ecosystem for organization to better manage their operation. We saw a couple examples here, obviously from Success Factors, from Salesforce, from others. And we feel that work management is one of the pillars of that type of solutions, allowing, again, everybody to collaborate and be on the same page. But it's not only what we think. We actually, over the last 2.5 years that we have been in business and selling our solution, we saw quite a lot of success and endorsement from the market. A little bit about our solution. We sell the solution for about $30 per user per month. We don't go to visit any customer. We advertise over the internet and sell over the phone, and still we see that we see a very impressive result and very scalable business model. These are results from this year, where the key target for us was to go below 1 year ROI on an average deal, and you see that we are there. We also see that this type of solution fits the broader market, and we see that the market penetration that started with mainly services-related companies, media services, public services, IT services, etc., is growing to the more traditional project management arena, I would say, of software companies, industrial type of scenarios, etc. And with more than 300 customers, some of them are fairly large, we definitely see the success and invite you all to come and visit our website, register for a 30 days free trial, and see if this solution works for your company. Thank you very much.